What fun will couples bring to each other? The girl came from the kitchen and told the boy she was pregnant. He immediately put down the phone and jumped up happily. He hugs her. The young man immediately ran into the kitchen and looked for an apple. He cut a part of the apple, follow a square. He meticulously cut that apple so that it was the best. He slips the knife up and down. He meticulously cut that apple so that it was the best. Finally, the product is completed and it looks beautiful, isn't it? Then he took out the square and stuffed a ring into it. Finally, the product is completed and it looks beautiful, isn't it? Then he took out the square and stuffed a ring into it. Before that, he will make a small hole in that square, make a tiny compartment just enough to fit a ring of 10-carat diamond. He went out to buy the ring and store the apple in the refrigerator to keep it from spoiling. He'll come back later and take the apple, then he put the ring in it. It is done. He brought the apple to her. She didn't understand and was about to put it on the muzzle and took a big bite into it. It seems that the women see what is edible as if they put it in their mouths before they know what is inside. But unexpectedly it was a ring, and the guy snatched it from her hand and then knelt down in a panic that scared her. Then he pulled her hand out and put the ring on her. Does she look very happy in her? You want to go out and be dressed up in a beautiful outfit, but when you look at the mirror and turn around to look, you cannot go out because of your second round shyness. You have thought of a way to immediately overcome the shortcoming above. It is food wrap. You use it to wrap around your abdomen. The plastic wrap has elastic properties, so when you squeeze your tummy down, be confident going out with our little tips, girls. You're shaping the straw. Suddenly, you're thirsty and your sitting position relative to the duckling of the glass is quite far away. You have come up with a way, that is, you will use the straws to note them one by one until they are long enough that you can use it to draw water at a certain distance. You have a whole package of straws of all colors, so you can attach them as long as you want without worrying about the end of the straw. But do not overdo them. You should be active. Please do everything gently with us. That dynamic creativity is our goal, and is also what we want to send you. You've just finished your makeup and want to wear a new shirt to go out and play, but when you put it on, you discover that your makeup is stuck to the shirt. I have a way for you. Find a big plastic bag to put it on your head and then put on your shirt. Plastic bags will help prevent the shirt from being touched by the makeup. Do as we pleased. Your wife can confidently go out without worrying about the makeup is smeared, as well as your shirt is completely clean.